In this video, I'm talking about using sports drinks caps as painting bases for your miniatures. Throughout the year of hobbying, I've used a variety of different things as bases to hold my miniature on top of. While you paint, it's nice to have a nice larger base. And eventually I came to discover that sports drinks like Gatorade and whatnot and protein shakes have the perfect size. Their caps work perfectly, and if you don't believe me, I have a huge there's a lot. I have a lot of them. So for painting, I have a whole set of Space Hulk. Every one of them is on top of a sports drink cap. You've probably already kind of figured this out, but it's great to have a larger base so you're not constantly touching your paint surface. You don't want to get the oil from your fingers on the paint surface when then put acrylic paint over them. Just using a sports drink cap to hold your miniature on while you're painting. They're cheap, they're readily available, and you can build up a small collection of them quite fast. These guys aren't finished, but everyone has to say that about their miniatures. Oh, but don't look at his arm. You should be proud of painting your miniatures. I couldn't be more proud because I didn't think I could do this, and I can, and that's all that matters. So, yeah, they work great. My point. So why I wanted to make a video for this is because, once again, to help you avoid a painful error, which I had to unfortunately endure, was it's great to put these on to paint on with the acrylic, but don't spray your miniatures on top of these things. My second set of Shadespire miniatures, which were the Stormcast to paint, I was like, oh, I can prime in the same way, and I'll be able to turn them instead of having them on a stick and get all these different angles, which was all true. But the acetone and solvent in the spray paint primer, when it hit the plastic of these caps, it off-gassed some kind of chemical over the entire miniature. So for the entire process, they stayed tacky. So the primer never set up, and then when I would paint acrylic over them, it stayed tacky, and sometimes it would tear. Even a whole day later, I would be painting right through the acrylic. So it basically kept the acrylic from setting properly. And now I'm worried about those miniatures continuing to have this chemical off-gassing. I'm afraid to put them next to other miniatures. So just a total unpredictable headache. I ended up just painting through them. I ended up completing them rather than, I didn't want to strip them down and start all over again. I probably should have, but I didn't. Anyway, so yeah, sports drinks caps. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.